the conclusion.
All right, here comes part two without a little bit of drama. You can see straight ahead. We're at executive autopilots, and we got the radar put in, but over here, the pre-select display stopped working, and we took it apart. Dave took it to the bench. Anyway, make a long story short, the plane we ran the battery down, putting the radar in, and then the display wouldn't work. Anyway, all's well as it ends well. Let's get the ATIS here. We're going to go VFR. We might need the IFR.
Executive Airport Information, Quebec, time 1653 Zulu. Wind 2307, weather better than 5005. Temperature 16, dew point 14, altimeter 3018. Expected visual approach, landing and departing runway 20. Airfield advisories, use caution for birds in the vicinity of the airport. Departures requesting VFR flight following advised ground control prior to taxi. Advised control in this contact for Information, Quebec.
Let's go to ground, 25 nothing.
Check out the communication between the T6 that's in front of me and ground control.
Ground 513 Sierra Juliet VFR request.
North American 21 Zulu, don't block the taxiway. You got the run-up areas to the right.
Yeah, that's right. So we're just checking a noise here that we're seeing.
Van 3 Bravo, CC parking.
Ground 513 Sierra Juliet VFR request.
North American 21 Zulu, turn back around. Where are you going? North American 21 Zulu, ground.
Yeah, North American, we're just checking a maintenance issue here. We're going to head back to SACJET.
North American 21 Zulu, roger. Make a 180, taxi back to the jet center.
180 and taxiing back. Thanks, sir.
Calling ground so you can your step down.
513 Sierra Juliet 421 with Quebec. We're VFR Auburn autopilots.
Go 513 Sierra Juliet, roger, flight final request. Taxi runway 20 via Charlie November Delta, cross runway 12, and use caution for the T6 taxiing southbound.
Oh yeah, I'll make way for that. 3 Sierra Juliet, cross Charlie November Delta to 20. All right, he's going back for maintenance. Let's call Auburn Airport. Call Awas Auburn Airport.
Calling Awas Auburn Airport, Maine.
Somebody else is calling them. Let's try again. Call Awas Auburn Airport.
Calling Awas Auburn Airport, Maine.
Going to go 3 Sierra Juliet, departure frequency 127.4, squawk 0367.
0367 and 27.4 for 513 Sierra Juliet.
I can go 3 Sierra Juliet, we're back right.
Let's try again. Call Awas Auburn Airport.
Calling Awas Auburn Airport, Maine.
Executive Towers, Mooney.
Okay, now we got it.
Auburn Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 1711 Zulu. Wind 130 at 6 knots. Visibility 9er. Sky condition scattered at 800. Broken at 1,300. Temperature 14 Celsius.
All right, let's get up there and take a look. Do the all-important checklist right now. All-important checklist is complete. Tower 513 Sierra Juliet, it's ready for takeoff 20.
We'll go 513 Sierra Juliet, executive tower, hold short, runway 20 for obstruction traffic on approach.
3 Sierra Juliet, holding short 20. Always have to read that back.
Tower 4.
All right, so guys coming in, He's going to do a missed approach and head to Mather. I got my hands on the mixture. We're going to get Auburn's 1 minute weather there, 27.4.
On the mist, head 250, going to have 1,000 power section.
26 up Sierra, roger, contact departure. Only 03 Sierra Juliet, runway 20, clear for takeoff, left down departure.
3 Sierra Juliet, left downwind departure, clear for takeoff 20. All right, time check. Traffic check. DG double check. Fuel pumps on, full rich, full mixture, and full power. Full, you got fuel flow, airspeed 70, 80, 95. Tap the brakes, pull the gear up. And 3 Sierra Juliet, early left turnout okay today?
Want to go 3 Sierra Juliet, early left turnout approved.
3 Sierra Juliet. All right, we'll give them a little turnout here. Blue line. Got to check the radar. All right, there's 1,000 AGL. Get the climb going.
Only go 3 Sierra Juliet, contact departure next flight.
3 Sierra Juliet, thanks a lot. Talk to you next time. Going to departure. So long.
See you.
NorCal Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet checking on 1,500, 2,500.
Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, NorCal approach you. Good morning, ident Sacramento Center 3017.
3 Sierra Juliet.
Golden Eagle 3 Sierra Juliet, ready to contact 2 miles north of the executive airport.
3 Sierra Juliet. All right, let's do the radar. Let's take the tilt. Let's take the tilt to where we like it, at like 3 3/4.
NorCal approach, City 831, descending through 8,600.
So we're going to, on this map,
we have Tango.
City 831, NorCal approach, so advising you have the airport in sight.
we're going to show next rad on this one. We're going to show radar.
And 831, can we have direct Yoshi? We're still on a heading of 151. I don't think we'll get it in sight from this angle.
Just the 831, roger, proceed direct Yoshi, descend and maintain 4,000.
Direct Yoshi down to 4,000, 831, thanks.
There was a 60-mile screen, and there is weather ahead.
Departure, Idaho 80, climbing through 1,100 for 5,500.
So here we're painting radar. Radar here, next rad here. So everything seems to be working. Possible severe weather ahead. Check weather radar. Okay, excellent. That's what we want. Yeah, there's weather ahead, all right.
Auburn Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 1718 Zulu. Wind 150 at 6 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition scattered at 900. Broken at 1,300.
Yeah, I think we better get the approach. NorCal 513 Sierra Juliet request.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, say request.
3 Sierra Juliet, looks like we're going to need the approach into Auburn. I can go direct to Siskiyou at 3,000 if you like, and we'd like to ask for the approach.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, proceed direct Siskiyou, intercept the final approach course, verify full stop, and did you want to do it in VFR conditions?
No, we're going to need the real deal for 513 Sierra Juliet. We're heading to Siskiyou at 3,000, requesting the full IFR approach.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, roger, you're clear to the Auburn Airport via direct Siskiyou, maintain 3,000.
Clear to Auburn, direct Siskiyou, 513 Sierra Juliet, 3,000. Okay, so there we go. There you go. When in doubt, do the approach.
1,400, climbing 4,000. Viva Star 801, NorCal departure radar contact.
All right, let's load the approach check. Brief the approach plate. Okay, I know the approach. Let's.
Reset the transponder, squawk 4605.
Was that for 3 Sierra Juliet 4605?
November 3 Sierra Juliet, affirmative.
All right, we reset that.
2926 Delta Sierra. We're Currently heading 0802000.
Oh, it's still loading the chart, so we're gonna. We know the chart, but we're gonna look at that here to make triple sure.
VFR 926 Oscar.
Give us target 0110 lost heading 040
All right.
and say approach.
The circling 2525 not available at night. Missed approach 3000 direct to Appy. Left turn to 311. Siskiyou 3000. Yadfi 3000. Minimums 1848. Let's go ahead and we're going to go straight in. Winds 150. We're going to try this straight in at 1848. If not, we'll do the secondary minimums of circle to land 2400. 1848. Got it. Enter. And it showed up here. Okay. We're in Siskiyou in 3.5 minutes.
Contact approach 125.4.
25.4, 513 Sierra Juliet. NorCal, good morning. Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet. Checking on 3000, heading for Siskiyou.
November 513 Sierra Juliet NorCal approach. You're 6 miles from Siskiyou, cross Siskiyou at 3000, cleared RNAV, straight in, runway 7, approach Auburn.
513 Sierra Juliet, clear for the approach straight in from Siskiyou and 3000, 513 Sierra Juliet.
November 0, November Zulu, traffic no factor, contact approach 127.4.
Oh, if you look out the front window to the right, there's that
November
moisture
Papa, traffic no
that
factor,
hangs
maintain 3000.
in the, hangs in the area.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, report cancellation of IFR in the air this frequency or on the ground. Advise if you need the phone number for that.
3 Sierra Juliet, we have the phone number and we'll try to cancel in the air.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, thank you. If you do cancel on the ground, please do so within 5 minutes of landing.
Yeah, we don't want to clog up the airspace, 3 Sierra Juliet. We'll call you right away.
Thank you.
All right, so we don't want to clog up the airspace. We're a minute and a half from Siskiyou. So the RNAV checklist, set minimums, when on inbound course, activate vectors to final. Here comes our turn at Siskiyou.
NorCal departure, Pilatus 578 Juliet Zulu, just departed McClellan, request.
Let's go to traffic here.
Contact approach on 127.4 with your request.
We're at 52 degrees, no need for pitot heat. So when we get inbound on 070, we're going to activate vectors to final. Yeah, there's weather straight ahead. It's a good call rather than running under it. All right, vectors are final. We're good, arm the approach, we're all good. Go back to traffic. And we're inbound with weather in front of us. Oh, Papa Gumps, pressurization, check. Air conditioner, never had it on. Prop sync, never had it on. Auxiliary pumps on. Gas on mains.
November 82 Papa, roger. November 73 Kilo, vector across the final approach course, turn right, heading 090.
Oh, Yadfi in 1 minute 23 seconds.
Right 090-473 Kilo.
See if we get the wind real quick.
Wind 1.
November 3 Sierra Juliet will be awaiting the IFR cancellation. Change to advisory frequency approved.
3 Sierra Juliet, roger. We're going to 22.7 and we'll cancel when we can. 3 Sierra Juliet. All right, so 6-7, how far are we? Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet. It's 8 to the west on the approach for straight in runway 7. Full stop, Auburn. So, if there's a chance that you're going to be back in IFR conditions, you don't cancel in the air. You'll want to cancel on the ground. But looking around, you know, there's VFR weather around us, just not over the airport. So if we can see that the airport is VFR, we'll cancel and let someone else get in. 20 seconds to Yadfi. Because what happens is they protect that whole airspace around the airport for IFR traffic. So if somebody's waiting to go or waiting to get in, they won't let them. They'll put them in a hold. So we're good airspeed, 126. We're ground. We just got the glide slope. Let's put the gear down because we're going to start down the glide slope. 1848 is our minimums for straight in. And we're a minute and a half to the airport. And we're pretty much at our power settings for landing. Here comes a cloud straight ahead. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet is 4 miles west of the airport on the approach for landing straight in runway 7, Auburn. Okay, airport in sight. 3 Sierra Juliet, cancel IFR.
November 3 Sierra Juliet, thank you. IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR, change to advisory frequency approved. Good day.
3 Sierra Juliet, thanks, and so long. All right, we're going to squawk VFR. 2,100. Let's go ahead and let it take it down. We'll go first notch of flaps. And we'll actually go, well, we're going to go full flaps at minimums. All right, gas check on it. We've got 3 greens, mixtures up. Across where we want them. There's 1900, 1920. Wind from the right.
Minimums.
Minimums full flaps. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, short final runway 7, full stop, Auburn. Got left rudder in, right wing down, got a crosswind from the right. Okay, we're in. Auburn traffic, Golden Eagle 513 Sierra Juliet, cleared all runways going to park on Auburn. All right, there's our second half. There's your bonus. Thanks for riding along.
Oh, you men are all alike. 7 or 8 quick ones and you're off with the boys to boast and brag. You better keep your mouth shut.